How to add adjustment layer in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and open your video project. Now look at the top bar. Click on the Adjustment tab. In the Adjustment panel, you'll see Custom Adjustment. Click and drag the custom adjustment down to the timeline. An adjustment layer will appear as a block on its own track. Drag the ends of the layer to stretch its duration so that it covers all the video clips you intend to modify. Now look at the right hand panel. This panel now shows the adjustment settings. Here you can change settings like on the basic tab, you can adjust exposure, contrast, saturation or brightness. HSL. You can adjust fine-tune individual colors like hue, saturation, luminance, etc. In the curve option, you can advance control over tonal range. Now adjust any color correction or grading you wish to see. These changes will instantly affect all the video clips underneath the adjustment layer. So that's how you can add adjustment layer in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.